So we're back. You can see the steel wool, and it's taking some plastic off. See, this part right here is gray. Watch what's happening. Just buffing it one way and then the other way. And like I said, basically what we're doing is sanding off that layer that's all scratched up with dirt embedded in. And see, that's some of the plastic's taken off. So we kind of used 4-ounce steel wool, sanded it, get most of the heaviest stuff off, and then we're just taking this rag that's just kind of a damp rag to wipe off all that plastic that we just sanded. As you can see, this is looking much better. But you can see this side, we did the same thing. We sanded it, and then we polished it with some fine polish. And this is what I just had on hand. It's not a wax, it's a polish, so it's a really fine, polish. So just shake it up, and we're gonna put some on our buffing pad here, just some, like that, and kind of just working it into the pad. So it'll look kind of like that when it's done. And we have it set on high, just a regular cordless drill. And then we just put it on here and start with a little bit first, just to spread it around the headlight. And up to speed and just kind of go back and forth. And what this is doing is the polish is taking all the fine scratches out that we put in there with that steel wool. So let me work on this. It's kind of difficult doing that one-handed and holding the camera. But I'll be right back to show you how it looks. Already you can see that it's looking better. But let me get it done, and then we'll see the finished product.